On the 26th of April 1986, a reactor exploded at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine. In the hours and days that followed, the silence was deafening. Deliberate, calculated, protective of the system rather than the people. The consequences were devastating, in particular for the populations of the Ukraine, Belarus, as well as parts of Russia and indeed other areas as well. The disaster saw deaths from radiation exposure and long-lasting impacts on health, food supply and of course the environment.
A uachtarán guribh míle maithagat as 8 an 100,000 fáilte all in seo. Because this sends a powerful message of human solidarity to all who suffer from the Chernobyl charity, and it's saying to them, you are not forgotten, you are not peripheral, you are not outsiders, you're not irrelevant, because you're a part of our human family.